Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we about to go ahead and do a mukbang with Life Made Riley. You feel me? And you see this delicious box. You got White Castles, and they clutching it with the new game and movie Borderlands. You feel me? Make sure you guys, when you go out and you get this from White Castles, make sure y'all hit that scan code on the back. They got some nice little perks to go with everything, you feel me? It's magnificent. They call it the clap trap, you feel me? But we'll get more into that. But right now, they say it's dangerously tasty. So we are, if you ain't used to White Castles, you're used to that nasty Krystals that they got down south. Krystals is a generic version of the real White Castle. You feel me? Some of y'all don't even understand how good White Castle really is. And you guys haven't really tasted the flavors from the pickles to the onions on how they maneuver their meat. You feel me? White Castle has always been #1 in my book. Krystals, they buns is too thick. There's nothing about bread. You feel me? This is the White Castle is the only small slider that got the consistency correct. Between bread, meat, onions, pickles, you can say they create the perfect mini, but better Krabby Patty. And we got 20 of them. You feel me? White Castles, you feel me? We also got chicken rings. They got their own hot sauce now. Oh my goodness. Wait till White Castles. White Castles got their own hot sauce, you feel me? Coming from that Texas Pete, you feel me? Can't forget about that onion ring. They fries is decent. We got the fries. They fries is only good. I ain't gonna stunt. They great when they fresh. But you always want to tell them make it extra crunchy. Fry them a little longer. Fry them fresh or fry them longer. You know, to keep it from having that soggy, that limpness. You guys can fill in the other word, that limp. You feel me? But bam. Got the fries. And we got some more chicken rings, you feel me? Barbecue be smacking. She hooked me up with all the sauces. But we're gonna go ahead, grab it. We got double cheese. Go ahead and take some of that hot sauce. Let it drip on here. Nice little consistency. We're gonna take an onion ring, a chicken ring, and some barbecue. Let that drip. Place it on with the extra cheese. You don't even know. Mm. And let's get back at it. Mm. Mm. Smacking, you feel me? Mm. If y'all haven't tried White Castles, my guy, ladies and gentlemen, you need to come to Chicago. Go dig into some White Castles. They got a couple White Castles and a couple more places. Get to one near you. You feel me? I'm trying to tell you, White Castles, bro. I might as well get me a sponsorship. The way I eat, y'all. If y'all ever saw the movie Kumar and old dude go to White Castles, I didn't know why. Mm.